of impeachment?
Definitely. I don't know where Kong Castro got it. Kaya medyo nagulat din yung leadership kanina kung saan nanggaling yon. And I found out nga, may nagsabi sa akin ng media na galing kay Kong Castro. So I asked them, my bosses, and the people upstairs are saying like, walang ganon, wala naman. Kasi I would know every time kasi pag nag-uusap yung House leadership, mga political party leaders, kasama ako because I'm in the communications. So far, wala naman. Walang pinag-usapan ng ganun. Wala at all. Kasi wala rin naman talaga makita. Kahit na may magsampa ng kaso, siguro hindi siya uusad. Magbabasura lang because wala naman talagang violation ng Vice President. So, pero yun na nga sinasabi. How about kung in the future, kung meron, di ba? We will entertain. Pero kung wala naman, sayang. Alam mo naman, ang dami ng impeachment na pinalit sa Congress, yung iba nag-prosper, yung iba hindi. So ganun din. We have to look at the substance. Kung meron siyang substance, nandoon yung mga sinasabing impeachable offense, then we will entertain. Pero kung wala, like right now, wala naman talaga. So sayang. At saka baka iniintriga lang ang VP, iniintriga din ang House na kung sino yan. So, but for now, I can tell you and I can assure you po na there's no such thing yung plan ng impeachment versus the Vice President.